Good morning from the car. On my way to another hot spring, and I just got attacked by a bird. I understand that they are just protecting their nests and they have young ones, but she's been shitting on me, flying over my head and shitting on me. And I just wanted to take a couple of pictures, not of the nest, I have to say, of the nature here around me. And she is just so overprotected. And now she is defending her nest against a motorcycle that is parking next to me. I'm happy that I am going to a hot spring now because they have showers. I have bird shit in my hair and it's not fun. Again, the landscape is absolutely stunning. I wish I had more time and could explore more of the north of Iceland, but this is incredible. This is so beautiful. This is absolutely crazy. And I can just film because there is not a single soul here. But up there, this is where the hot springs are. This is unreal. I mean, I'm repeating myself. I know, but this is absolutely wild. Look at that. Tony is here as well. So, we had a very adventurous morning. Got attacked by a bird. Still cannot believe how protective they are. Basically, she was attacking every car and every person that was coming near her nest, which is quite understandable, but wow, I've never been purposefully shitted upon by a bird. So well done, well done. We are now going to the hot springs, but first I need to take in the scenery. This is just unreal. I think this is really a secret not many people know about. It's the most amazing hot spring ever. I mean, have a look. This is so beautiful. The ocean is 7 degrees. This is crazy.
I don't want to get out.
I spent the whole day here, and this is, in my opinion, the most beautiful hot spring I have seen in Iceland. I look rough, but I feel really relaxed. I'm going back now to Reykjavik because tomorrow is a very early start. My flight goes at 7:30 and I need to be at the airport at least 2 hours before. So short night. Last day in Iceland. I'm very sad, but also very grateful because I will remember that for a long time. Yeah, sorry, that wasn't very exciting today. But I enjoyed it a lot. And now you know where you need to go if you want to have a really nice hot spring that is not too overcrowded. And I think that is it for today and for this trip. And I will see you real soon. Bye!